Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm doing a hair transformation and this is on my cousin Brad. Now he came up to me about a week ago and said I really want to dye my hair a very strange colour, and I thought why not go ahead and do it. Bearing in mind he's never dyed his hair before, he's never bleached his hair before, so he did get the hair dye and the hair bleach, and I'm not a professional, so everything that I do in this video is what I've learnt myself. And then also from doing it to myself, also my sister, I've bleached her hair, my mum's roots, I've done her highlights, and I do have a little bit of experience doing it, but I'm not actually a hairdresser, so what I do may not be the correct way to do it, but it's just how I do it, and I have seen quite a few videos, so I do have a little bit of experience with doing this. And I have a feeling that if Brad Mondo watched this video, he'd probably be like,
that's a fail, what you did was really wrong.
So yeah, you know, if he watches this video, I do apologise. I'm not a hairdresser, I'm not trained. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I've actually been waiting a very long time to do a hair transformation video. I love watching these types of videos and I love seeing how it looks at the beginning and how it looks at the end. And at the moment I'm not going to be dyeing my hair any crazy colours, so the fact that he decided he wanted to go blue was the best thing for me, so we decided to do this video, and I was really happy to do this process. I had so much fun doing it and I think he had so much fun as well. So obviously with this video, because I'm not a professional, this isn't everything that you should specifically do. What I do recommend is going to a hairdresser if you are going to do a transformation, but this is how we did it and it turned out pretty well. So if you want to see the hair transformation of turning his hair blue, then just keep watching. So today we are dyeing and bleaching Bradley's hair. So he literally has not dyed his hair before, so this is what it looks like. It's like a medium light brownish colour. And we also did a patch test behind his ear and it was fine. Then we also tested out the colour, so you can see that he is going to be very, very blonde when this is all finished. So that is the end result. So we are going to be dyeing it after we've bleached it, and we need to leave it on for 90 minutes. So are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes, we're excited to see what it looks like, but his hair is all clean, hasn't put anything in it, it's unwashed, but yeah, we are going to do it, and he's going to look like a blonde bombshell when he's finished. So this is the bleach that we're using, so we're using a Bee Blonde one. So this one you also get a 40 volume developer in there, and then you also get the powder bleach. This one was the best one that we could get because we don't have a Sally's anywhere near us, so this is what we are going to be using. And yeah, we are ready to go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So we've done all the bleach and it is all looking nice in there. So like I mentioned, you do have the 40 volume peroxide and then also the powder bleach. And this is the first time that Bradley has ever dyed his hair. So it's going to be exciting, but we did obviously do the patch test and things like that, so he is okay to have this on. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and pop it on. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you excited? How do you feel?
I'm excited but scared. Like, if it don't turn out good.
It will be fine. finished all of the hair. What I did is I did the ends first and then I went in and did the roots. So as you can see, it is all saturated. So there is pretty much nothing that is going to show any brown at the moment. So we did really well. Here is what it looks like at the front. Obviously some of the areas are going to look a little bit dark because we ended up doing different parts afterwards. But yeah, we've done all of the roots. Everything is saturated. And how are you feeling?
Great. Loving it.
Loved it. So this is what it's going to look like for the minute. So what we did is after I did the ends and I started to do the roots, we then started the timer because I didn't want it to over process. But we're hoping that it's going to get really light. Might end up looking like Draco Malfoy.
Oh god.
But it might look really good. So we'll see what it looks like when the timer is up. So it's the second day and we did all of Bradley's bleaching yesterday and now we're going to put the blue on top of it. So this is what his hair looks like. It looks really light. There are obviously some bits that look quite orange, but it looks really good. And then this is what the back looks like. So we did really well on it. We managed to cover every single part of his head and yeah, I feel like we did pretty well. Now it looks a little bit weird in this light, but obviously we are going to be dyeing it blue, so it doesn't matter if this looks orange because it's all going to come out. So are you excited to go blue?
Yeah, first new colour.
Super duper excited.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So we've just finished the dye and this is how blue it's gone. So it's basically like Sonic the Hedgehog blue. And I'm so excited. So we're going to leave it on for 15 minutes and then we're going to wash it out and see if it still looks blue, but can't wait.
Yeah, gonna wash it off and find out my whole head's gonna go blue probably.
So this is what it's ended up looking like and it looks really, really good. I'm so proud of how it looks, but obviously if he does want more blue, we will just need to do the back of the hair a little bit more, but it looks good. And I feel like I did good. It's only a little bit of a fail just because the back is a little bit patchy, but from the front, it looks really good and the colour is really good.
I really like it. I think it came out well for my first time. The back didn't take too well, but that's it. It was weird. Like, I think the patch test was probably the bit I disliked the most. Just because that's where it was a bit itchy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more of me being tortured.